Hello, awesome student of Sentosa Perdana Junior High School. Welcome back to our science class. I'm Mr. Rido and I'm very excited to learn with you today. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today we have a very special mission. We are going to explore about the structure of the earth and natural disasters. By the end of the video or by the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand about what the structure of the earth and how the natural disaster happen. Let's jump right in. Please watch the video about the structure of the earth and natural disasters. Later, after you watch the video, please do the practice. Inside our planet, we have four layers. The first, the crust, the mantle, the outer core, the inner core. For the crust, the Earth's hard outer shell where we live. The mantle, the thickest layer of the Earth, located directly under the crust. The outer core, a very hot layer of liquid iron and nickel. And the last, the inner core, a solid ball of the metal at the center of the Earth. Next, the giant puzzle, tectonic plates. The Earth's crust is broken into giant pieces called tectonic plates that float on top of the moving magma in the mantle. These plates are constantly moving at very slow pace, roughly the same speed that your fingernail grow. How natural disasters happen for earthquakes? When plates grind against each other and get stuck, pressure builds until they break free with a violent shake. Volcanic eruption. When plates crash together or pull apart, the mantle to shoot up through the crust. The last, tsunamis. Massive earthquake occurring deep underwater push the ocean water upward, creating giant, fast-moving waves.
Hey, Sentosa Perdana Junior High. Let's dive straight into this explainer on Earth's structure and extreme disasters. Think of our planet like a massive boiled egg, you know? It's hiding some totally distinct layers inside. First up is the crust. It's that incredibly thin, rock-hard outer shell holding our land and oceans. Right underneath, we've got the mantle. It's the thickest layer, basically packed with hot, semi-solid rock called magma. Going deeper, there's the outer core. It's a fiercely hot liquid metal layer that generates our magnetic field. And boom, right at the center, that's the inner core, just a completely solid ball of metal. How hot is it? Try 5,200 degrees Celsius. That's literally as hot as the sun's surface, guys. Jumping back up, our crust is actually broken into giant, shifting puzzle pieces. We call these tectonic plates. Crazy enough, these massive plates are always moving, but it's slow, literally about the speed your fingernails grow. Why do they move? Well, they're basically surfing right on top of that hot, churning mantle magma. So here's the big question for us. What actually happens when these giant puzzle pieces crash together? If grinding plates get stuck, pressure builds up until snap. That sudden jolt triggers a violent earthquake. When plates crash or pull apart, all that intense pressure forces magma up, sparking explosive volcanic eruptions. And if a massive earthquake hits deep underwater, it forces the ocean up, sending catastrophic tsunamis toward land. So think about it. How wild is it knowing the solid ground beneath you is constantly in motion?
That's all for today's lesson. Don't forget, do the practice, write on your notebook, answer, take photo, and upload to Mr. Rido link. Thank you and goodbye.